Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Eternal Sugar Cookie in Gacha Club, updated. Start by choosing a base outfit and pastel palette, then layer hair, accessories, and dessert-themed props. Match facial expressions to a sweet, dreamy mood, and apply glow or sparkle effects for a baked look. Adjust lighting and background for contrast, and export high resolution to preserve detail for thumbnails and edits. Choose a cohesive color story before placing elements to avoid clashes and maintain cookie charm. Focus on contrast between hair and outfit so details pop on small screens. Use layered accessories sparingly to prevent clutter while keeping whimsical details like sprinkles and icing. Test different facial expressions to match the mood, and preview against multiple backgrounds to ensure the design reads clearly in videos and thumbnails. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and stop spills while you craft and edit. They keep snacks fresh and your desk clean, which feels strangely satisfying mid-session. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you try them, tell me what you think. Now let's get back to the video. For smooth animation, keep motions minimal. A gentle head tilt, blink, and slight accessory sway work well. Match the animation loop to the music or scene duration so it feels natural and not repetitive. Export at a higher resolution and check the file for color shifts before uploading. If you plan edits, save layered project versions to tweak timing or effects later without losing earlier successful passes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.